In this short video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create professional looking videos for your business with just a few clicks of your mouse. This means that even if you've never made a video before, by the end of this short training video, you'll know exactly how to create fantastic looking videos. Okay, let's get started. Imagine for a moment that you have a client that runs a travel website named travelclub.com. Your client has asked you to create a video ad to help promote their business on social media sites like Facebook. Let's see how easy this can be. When you first log in, you'll see your dashboard. To create a new video, come up here and click Create a New Video. Now over here, you'll see that we've broken the whole process down into 6 easy steps. The first step is to select a template for your video. You can choose to create a video for social media, create a video from an article or blog post, create a sales video, create a video for your online course, or even create a property listing video. For this example, I'll choose the social media category, find a template I like, and then click Use this template to get started. Now on the script screen, I can type a title for my video. For this example, I'll type Travel Club. The next step is to copy and paste in the script for my video. To help you follow along with this example, you'll find a link below this video to download our Travel Club video script. I'll just open up the script, copy the text, and paste it in. Okay, now that I've dropped in the script, I can come down here and click Create Scenes for your video. And here we are on the scene screen. As you can see, your script has been broken up into sentences and your scenes have been automatically created for you. This means instead of starting with a blank slate, you can now simply review your scenes and tweak them to meet your needs. So let's take a look at some of the changes we can make. Over here, you'll see 3 tabs: Media, Layouts, and Style. If you want to change the video clip on a scene, all you have to do is come across to the Media tab. Here you can search for video clips from Content Samurai's built-in library, which includes over 480,000 video blocks clips. For example, you can type in a search term like Eiffel Tower and hit Go. You'll notice that there are suggested keywords based on the text from the scene. So if I want to search for a different word, all I have to do is click this link. In addition to video clips, you can also select from our inbuilt library of millions of high-quality images by clicking this checkbox. When you find an image or clip you like, just click on it to apply it to your scene. By the way, if you're following along with this example, you'll notice that your results won't be exactly the same as those on my scenes. Your results will be randomly chosen from the top results for each keyword to make sure that you always get a unique video. Let's now take a look at our next scene. Now, I like this clip, but I'd like to change the position of my text, so all I have to do is come up to the Layout button. Here I can choose from a number of different text positions. For this scene, I'll go with the text at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now I can continue to review and tweak my scenes. Once you're happy with your scenes, come down here and click Add Voice Track to your video. You'll now see that we're on the voice section. Here you have 4 options that we'll cover in more detail in a future video. For this example, I'm going to go with a music-only default, which means I can head straight to the Preview Your Video button. And now I'm on the preview screen. A music track has been automatically selected for me, so all I have to do is come across here and click the play button to watch a preview of my video. When you're happy with your preview, just click Looks Good, Continue. And then click Generate. When the system's done, you'll see a download button here, which allows you to download your finished video to your computer. Okay, let's now take a look at the ad we just created for travelclub.com. In the next training video, we'll take a more in-depth look at how you can upload your own media to make your finished videos look even more professional.